Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add Wi-Fi to Control Center on your iPhone iOS 18. So the first method is by going to shortcuts up on your iPhone, then tap on plus icon at the top right, and then here go to the search box, search icons or search options, and type here Wi-Fi. Now select on set Wi-Fi option. And then here, you just need to tap on the turn and change it to toggle. And once you've done, you can just tap on the drop down menu right from here and you can change the name to Wi-Fi. And then from here, again, tap on the drop down menu. I'm going to select on this button which says choose icon. So we're going to change the icon for this shortcut. Right, again, we're going to open up the Wi-Fi here. You have the menu, then tap on choose icon. Now in this case, we're going to find the connectivity section right here and select the Wi-Fi icon as you can see. And then once you've selected, tap on done at the top right. Now next is we're going to change the color to blue and then tap done again. Finally, tap on done at the top right. Now swipe up to open up your control center. And then from here, tap on the plus icon at the top left. And then here, tap on add a control right here at the very bottom of your screen. And then here, go to the search controls and search for shortcuts. And then select on the shortcut control tiles right over here. And then tap on choose and select on Wi-Fi. So what you've done, as you can see, we have just added a Wi-Fi here on our control center. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.